Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, now in this video today, I am so excited because this is Fit for Life and it's every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can make breakfast, you can make lunch, dinner, desserts. Guys, this is just a support group over here. And all we want to do is try to make some healthy changes to go with our lifestyle. Now, this collaboration is being hosted by Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, Living Life with Lisa, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. Now, I'm going to be linking the hosts and their channel links down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure, guys, watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so you don't miss Fit for Life. Now, like in all collaborations, we ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Okay guys, so we're gonna head on over here to this video so I can tell you what I'm doing. So I absolutely love having the wraps and they're quick and they're just easy for me to eat when I'm hungry, where it's in the middle of the day here. It's not dinner time yet, so we are going to make some bacon wraps. And so what I normally do, and this is all keto friendly, low carb, and I use that G. Hughes dressing, and I like the sweet one. That's like my favorite one out of all of them. We have some shredded cabbage. We have some shredded cheddar cheese. I wasn't adding the cheese before, but I'm doing it now. It's kind of because it holds me longer. And then, of course, I just took the bacon out of the air fryer. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 of these wraps together. And yeah, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, guys, and then I'll show you what they look like at the end. They are so delicious. Okay, so I am all done and I am ready to eat, guys. So we're heading over to the reveal. I just want to take a moment and thank all of the hosts who participate in this collaboration every Sunday at 2 p.m. I so appreciate you guys. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.